Looking at your TV screen right now we've got you because this is so comfy. Everybody, Brian is spring cleaning at Blankets by Brian, and you get the benefit.
Spring cleaning event.
I feel like Oprah. I feel like Oprah. You get a blanket, you get a blanket, because they're all on sale.
When I priced these out, I said to myself at the end, I think, you're almost getting these for free. You're basically just paying for a shipping cost.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I've really marked this stuff down.
Some people wait for Black Friday. I say, spring cleaning.
Well, we're making room for the new stuff, but yeah, it's a win for my clients that get the really good
so talk
deals.
us through all of these on the website. How do we know which is on sale, which is on clearance?
So just for this event, I made a very special button at the top of my screen that says Spring Cleaning Event, so you can't miss it. Once you click on that button, you're going to go right into deals and clearance and the quick ship stuff. The quick ship stuff is in stock items. They're not the clearance stuff. So click on the clearance one, and then you're just going to go hog wild.
Okay, so wait, if I need a gift for Easter, like, can I get it by this weekend?
Absolutely.
So Mother's Day, absolutely.
Yeah,
Father's Day,
absolutely.
yes. And what are we talking about here,
If you
Brian?
order today, for sure by Easter.
All right, show me some of the things.
Yeah, so we've got, and just one other little note about the website, I've broken them down into even subcategories. So adult sizes would mean very large blankets. Kid sizes would be the smaller stuff, and that's just a navigational helper.
I'm just going to hold this up while you're talking,
and
so people can get an idea.
Print on the back.
You know, someone having a baby.
Yeah.
This would be the hit of the baby shower.
Yep.
And it's so soft.
And everybody, it seems like everybody, especially in Utah, love the baby blankets for blessings and stuff like that. So you've got these pure white ones. I can't emphasize enough, this stuff is practically indestructible. So you buy a white blanket, you wash it, it's going to be white right after you wash it.
So I just gave a gift, everyone, to one of my very best friends that I went to college with, and I wanted to get her something special. And this was, she said, the best gift she's ever received. So
I know, you guys are so cute. You called me on the phone and said
Brian,
it was the best gift ever.
This size, so that her boys could fit into it on the couch, and she could lay it out. And we did, I mean, I actually love this gray color, but I got her white so it would go with any decor in any room.
Well, and this, you know, in my mind, whenever I hear clearance, I think of stuff that was not popular or weird colors.
Oh, no.
This is not the weird, this is purely about making room for more stuff.
Well,
so
you need to do the next season, right?
Next season,
you need to make room for the next season, so now's the time.
Really fun animal prints. I will, just before I forget, I have to tell you, quantities are limited. When I have one of something and it sells, it's done. Right?
Okay.
Now, sometimes like this blue one, I know that I have like 4 or 5 of them in there, so there's a chance, you know, there's several chances for several people, but there are several of these that are only quantity 1.
Here's what I have to say too, is blankets are no longer, I mean, they are to wrap up in, obviously, but I know we're headed into spring and summer. This is part of my decor. I have one that goes on a couch and it stays there year round. I have another one I throw on the end of my bed.
Well,
that
your
matches.
dog loves the couch one.
Oh, should we talk about
Miles
pets?
loves the dog.
Do we have a picture of Reagan's dog in a Blankets by Brian? I feel like there's no way we don't have that photo. There we go.
Yeah.
That's a good picture.
When my clients call me on the phone, they always tell me I need an additional blanket because my dog has stolen my blanket.
She's completely stolen this blanket, so you had to make Rebel her own blanket. Miles has his own blanket. Do you have all different sizes?
All different sizes. I have tons of kids sizes and I have tons and tons of adult sizes. So you're going to find what you need for sure. I even have, gosh, I think I have several dozen travel blankets, which were my hit from last year.
The travel blanket, everyone, and I know you're thinking, did you say the word travel? Can that actually happen?
It's around the corner.
I think you buy this and we manifest travel.
Look
at that.
Look how big that is. That came
nice
out of that
would that
pocket.
be on the plane?
Yeah.
Right?
I get, again, #1 comment that I get back from people is I just love my travel blanket.
Okay, Brian has to move blankets and you benefit, everyone.
Right.
Everything on the deals and clearance marked down 50 to 75% off. Use the code GTU for an additional 20% off. Blanketsbybrian.com. He's also on social media. Find him on Instagram and YouTube and TikTok.
Nisha, I have to say that 20% off does take another 20% off the clearance prices plus the 20% off the rest of the website. So if you found something else on the website, you still could get 20% off.
This is unheard of.
It's unheard of.
This is illegal in 5 states, and we're doing it. By the way,
betcha.
masks are also buy 2, get 2 right now. So
Yeah,
if you
buy
need
2,
a mask,
get 2 free.
if you need a mask, check that out on the website too.
Tons left.
Thank you, Brian.
Thanks,
Good to
Nisha.
see you, my friend.